how to turn off timer on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing the ways to turn off timer on Snapchat. In order to turn off timer on Snapchat, first thing first, you need to open up your Snapchat application. So if you want to turn off your timer, all you have to do is just tap the plus icon from the right hand side corner. After that, a drop down menu appears, and here you need to scroll down a bit and go to timer. Once you tap the timer button, and here as you can see, whenever you take a video, the timer has started. So in this way you can turn on your timer, and similarly if you want to turn off your timer, you need to do the same procedure. That is, tap the plus icon, and after that scroll down and you'll need to tap the cross icon next to timer. Once you've done that, the timer feature has been disabled. So in this way you can turn off timer on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.